Hi friends, very good morning all of you. So welcome back to CAP classes. Today I am making this very quick video to give you the information about how classes can be viewed. So there are so many students who purchase the classes, who register for a specific subject or a group, and then they do not know what to do. So I want to quickly tell you that you have two options to view video classes. Either you can go for Windows version. I'm speaking about recorded classes. I'm not speaking about live batch. Live batch, you can call me and I'll give you the details. Okay, you have two options. Okay, one is Windows version, one is mobile version. Remember, when you purchase a specific subject or a group, you cannot watch classes in both your laptop and PC and Android phone and iOS. Not possible. Either you have to opt for Windows version or mobile version. Today I want to speak about mobile version. When you purchase classes in mobile version, this is how you are supposed to see the classes. This is the most important thing. Open the app. See, step 1, you might have paid the fee. Step 2, you might have filled the Google form, registration form. Step 3, from backend we will add you to a batch. So open CAP classes mobile application, go to that particular batches. At the bottom you will see home, batches, courses, store, profile, all these things. So go to batches. In that batch you will clearly see CA Inter accounts, CA Inter costing, like that. Whatever you paid for, everything will be there. Then open that. Inside there will be overview of the batch, study materials, videos, assignments, all these things. Just go to video section. In that video section you can see chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. It is very simple. You can watch the class. Okay, but the most important thing is do not use any emulator or any software to view classes on PC or laptop, because this is mobile app and you purchased course for mobile app. Pavan sir, no, I want to watch classes in laptop only. I want to watch classes in PC only. No problem, you inform us, we'll give you Windows version. So you have Windows version, happily you can watch. But if you take a mobile version, mobile app, and you are trying to connect your phone to PC and you are trying to watch this mobile class, mobile application mode of class in PC or laptop, your account will be blocked permanently. Unfortunately, some of the instances happened in the last month. That is the reason I am making this video. Okay, if it is mobile version, it is supposed to be watched in mobile version only. Point number 1. Don't use any softwares to see it in PC. Your account will be blocked permanently. Point number 1. Point number 2. Please try to understand. You are buying single user, single device subscription. It is single user, single device subscription. That means it is only for one student. It is only for one device. So students innocently, openly ask me, Pavan sir, I and my friend together we can buy classes and together we can watch. How can you do that? If you pay one college fee, can two people attend classes and get degree? No, it is for one particular student. So you cannot share the ID with friends. So what happens? I have this mobile and my friend has one mobile. I watched video 1 and then I will log out from this device. Another student will log in some other device with same name, same phone number. Simple. Software, the technology platform what we have will have artificial intelligence. It will tell very clearly that, dear CAP classes, this unauthorized access to class of so and so student subscription, say for example student name so and so, email ID so and so, phone number so and so, login 1 from Oppo, device, IMEI number, location, everything will come, and then he is trying to access in another device 2, Vivo, so and so description, so and so IMEI, and this account is blocked. I don't need to ask anyone to block. I don't need to call technical team to block, because I do not even know that something has happened. I will get a message that this particular student tried to use unauthorized use of this and his account is blocked. Even if you are one student having two phones also, some students will ask, Pavan sir, can I watch it when I am at home in PC, when I am in articles office in PC, when I am traveling in mobile phone, when I am outstation audit mobile phone, when I am in bedroom, my iPad can I use? No. How can we give access to multiple devices? It is not possible. If you try to do that, your account will be blocked. So please try to understand. If you buy course in App Store, mobile app, you opened CAP classes, course you bought from store, you can watch it in courses section. Or you paid fee through Google Pay, Phone Pay, etc. You contacted us, we have added you into the batch. You can open your mobile application, go to the batches, and you can watch classes. If you have any other queries like, Pavan sir, can I make fee by credit card payment, or EMIs I want, or printable notes I want, or doubt clarification, or any other query, you can contact us on WhatsApp. This is our number. So I just wanted to tell you the fair usage policy for Android or iOS application users. That is the reason I made this video. I hope you find this useful and reasonable. I cannot give access to 10 devices now. Okay, and that too, we are giving unlimited views. If I give only one view now, I can allow you to log in into multiple devices also. Then what happens? You watched company audit here. If your friend opens company audit, zero limit will be there. I do not have any problem. But I am giving unlimited views to you for your benefit. Because success rate in these classes will be less. Complex topics, students want to watch more. Why all the lecturers are giving 1.2x, 1.5x? Do you know that? It is because to prevent unauthorized use. Why I am giving unlimited access? Don't you think I can open my dashboard and I can put 1.2x? That means one class, 1 hour class, you can watch 1 hour and extra 20%. That means 12 minutes you can watch. That's all. After that, the video is zero. You cannot open that video again in your life. What if you want to watch it before exams? I am giving unlimited views to you because I want to do a favor. If you are using that in different devices, I'll have to restrict you. I'll have to protect at least my own interest now. You understand? So I think you will find it very reasonable. There is no bad intention. There is no intention to deceive any person. I want to give you maximum benefit, but at the same time, I want to protect my intellectual property also. So I hope you find this guidance useful, and please use the application and the video classes ethically. Trust me, we'll try to give you the best always. For any queries, you can contact us on WhatsApp. Thank you.